Namaste and welcome to Sonali Joshi's Astrojyoti Healing. In this video, we're going to see how the month of October is going to unfold for the sign Scorpio. If you have Moon in Scorpio, Ascendant in Scorpio, Vrishchik Rashi or Vrishchik Lagna, this video is for you. In the month of October, the major change that is going to happen is planet Rahu transiting into the nakshatra of Kritika. So Rahu is transiting into the nakshatra of Sun, that is Kritika. That means there is going to be a battle between Rahu's desires and Sun's desires. Fortunately, in the beginning, it is still in the sign of Taurus, and hence the Taurus ruler, which is Venus, is on the side of Rahu. So Rahu will be able to do quite well, give you lot of materialistic gains, pleasures until it moves to the sign of Aries. That means in the year 2021, work towards all your materialistic goals. As long as you avoid loopholes, as long as you take maximum path of legal behavior, you should get lot of success. For the Scorpio people, Saturn and Jupiter are making the teamwork, meeting people, friends, small distance travel a bit of challenging. However, as all the planets become forward directional, like regular direction, these things should work better. So Scorpio folks are looking forward to good teamwork, some travel for their work. They are also going to get lot of opportunities to invest in terms of their primary education if you are a student, your property and vehicles if you are looking for doing investment in those areas, maybe buy a new house. However, you will have to do more efforts. They are given lot of time to think, to meditate and plan their behavior towards earnings. Earnings through healthcare, earnings through partnerships, earnings through counseling. So October is going to be good month for you. You may notice that some of the higher level position people might bring challenges to you. However, you will be able to do best in them. That will work in your favor. In the first half of the month, do not make any sudden changes. Make multiple tries in everything that you are looking for success, and that should ensure you lot of opportunities in the second half that you can win. In the later half of the month, when planets are no longer retrograde, you will notice whatever investments you have done in people, in your relationships or material investments, they are going to give you good returns. However, the returns will be even more if you are working in the field of healthcare, change management, emergency situation management, or it will also work really well if you are working in any social spectrum. Maybe it is politics, maybe it is entertainment, or you are working for betterment of the society, charity organizations or non-profit organizations. Always remember, you may feel little confused, you may feel little doubtful about the actions that you are taking. However, always remember, have faith in yourself. In last life, you have worked very hard, you have done karma towards your relationships. This is the time to get success through them. So have faith in yourself and continue your efforts. Do not compare yourself with anybody else, because the moment you start comparing, you are giving upper hand to Rahu, and then you will feel jealousy, you will feel that you start blaming or criticizing your competition or your clients who are not cooperating with you, and that is the time you may lose all the benefits that Rahu is giving. Rahu is fully capable of working like Sun or Venus when it is in the Kritika nakshatra and in Taurus sign. So take benefit of that. Always remember, no jealousy, no backstabbing and no revengeful behavior. In terms of romantic relationships, your productivity, your kids, or in terms of clearing any important competitive exam, remember you take at least 3 tries. Take help from your advisor, mentor, and then you take that test, then you take that exam. Or in terms of romantic relationships, do your best to convince the other person. But all the means should be legal, all the ways should be socially acceptable. The biggest remedy for the month of October is do Shraddha of your ancestors, seek blessings from your ancestors, pray for their Sadgati, and remember to do donations to any organization that is dedicated to charity related to women. If they are helping women, if they are helping the people who are abused, this is your best remedy for this month. Also, in the month of October, remember, sun is debilitated. That means you have to listen to the other person in your relationship, in your partnership. Listen to them, talk to them, have communications with them, and that will open some sudden nice avenues for you. The best days which are favorable to you to carry any work are listed here. The days on which you should take extra care while driving or while operating any machinery are listed here. I'm going to give the video in description related to Kritika Nakshatra. Do watch this video so that you know the tips about how to deal with negativity of Kritika Nakshatra. If you are born in the month of October, I wish you a very happy birthday. Don't forget to share this video with anyone who is dominant Scorpio. Hope these guidelines help you plan your month in advance and get the best out of this month transits. Namaste. Thank you. Shubhamastu.